Hello and welcome to this episode of Product of the Week. I'm your host and visually spectacular maker, Robin Mitchell. In this episode, we will be glaring into the very essence of the HuskyLens, an all-in-one miniature AI platform that is perfect for teaching AI. If you want a chance to win one of these, then tell us what you'll do with it in the YouTube comments and we'll announce the winner soon. The HuskyLens is a hands-on, no-code AI vision platform that makes AI image processing trivial. Its no-code approach means that anyone can get started with creating AI-based image projects, and its small size makes it perfect for integrating into existing devices. With a focus on STEM classrooms from grades 6 to 10, whatever that means, I'm based in the UK, students in particular will appreciate this platform. So what makes this thing really interesting is that it's one of the first AI devices I've ever seen that makes AI easy to use and teach. Yep, that's right, this device actually lets you train it to recognize new objects, all while requiring no coding skills. So all you have to do is point at an object that you want to recognize, click the button, and it does the rest. This is awesome because it really helps to get those learning about AI in a fun and engaging environment, not sitting behind mathematical equations and trying to understand nonsense like vector spaces. The hardware features that the HuskyLens has is rather interesting because it uses a processor I've never heard of, the Kendryte K210. When looking into it, it appears to be a Chinese RISC-V SoC, providing up to 6 TOPS with 2 64-bit cores, an APU audio accelerator, and a KPU CNN accelerator, which is a convolutional neural network accelerator. This kind of CPU is becoming increasingly common as a result of China pushing towards open source RISC-V cores, along with the need for IoT and AI solutions that don't rely on Western devices. This thing also has a GC2093 2-megapixel camera, a 2.4-inch IPS 640 by 480 pixel resolution touchscreen, built-in face recognition, object tracking, object recognition, line tracking, color recognition, and tag recognition, and a supply voltage from 3.3 to 5 volts. With both I2C and UART connections, you can communicate with this device via another platform, making it the perfect candidate for use with the Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and Microbit. What projects can you do with the HuskyLens? Well, to start, the HuskyLens is perfect for any classroom setting where other educational hardware exists, such as the Microbit and Arduino. Because of its one-touch no-code training and inbuilt algorithms, using AI becomes trivial and allows students to get hands-on experience with edge AI. But of course, the HuskyLens is much more than a training aid. It could very well be used for experimentation, such as autonomous robots that follow lines and avoid obstacles, authentication systems that allow people to pass or not depending on the security level clearance, and object detection in production lines that need to determine which way to send an object on a conveyor system. And because of the small size, the HuskyLens can easily be mounted into existing systems. Smart displays could control whether monitors remain active or not, security systems could determine the presence of people in a given space, and smart sensors could alert users of fires and other dangerous situations. The possibilities with the HuskyLens are endless, making it one of the coolest devices on the market right now. So that wraps up this week's dive into the HuskyLens. I hope you've got a sense of just how powerful and accessible this little AI platform really is. Whether you're a student, an educator, such as myself, or just a maker looking for a fun AI project, the HuskyLens makes it ridiculously easy to get started without drowning in code or math. Remember, AI doesn't have to be scary or complicated. This thing just proves that. Point, click, train, and watch your projects come alive. If you like what we do here at Electromaker and want to show your support, then hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and head over to the official Electromaker store where you can get this and everything else you could possibly need, and I'll see you next time.